Kirka of Teacher Override, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Are you finding it hard to get clients as a writer? Could it be that you're stuck sending messages on Upwork and Fiverr and clients seem not to be coming? Then this post is for you. I'll give you 5 proven ways to find clients without creating a profile on a freelance marketplace. 1. Cold calls and cold emails. Sending a concise yet creative pitch of the services to people inboxes can work. But before you start doing that, make sure you compile the email and the names of the persons you want to send these messages to before clicking send. 2. Partner with other freelancers. Graphic designers, project managers, and a whole lot of skills need writers. These people could be your friends, your family, or your acquaintances, or they could be people you interact with on social media. Why not ask them if they need a writer for any of their projects? 3. Start a niche blog. Not just any blogging, a niche blog. If you love sport like I do, you can decide to become a sports writer. Whatever you're very good at, it is best to start writing about it. 4. Sell a writing product. It could be an ebook, it could be a novel. There are so many opportunities out there for you to create this writing product and sell it to others. We have Amazon KDP, and we also have Seller that allows you to sell these ebooks and generate a revenue. And finally, if all of this is not working out, grow in your skills. Take online writing courses, polish your skills, look for internship opportunities. The more skills you acquire, the more likely you are to get better paying clients. So, will you try any of these tips? Let me know in the comments below.